Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this lovely masculine card that I made using the Vintage Tools stamp set. This stamp set has got some wonderful images and sentiments that are great for making masculine cards and projects. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I've got my very vanilla cardstock here, and I'm going to start with my plain image. I'm going to ink this up and stamp, and then I'm going to bring in my sentiment, "You're just plain awesome," and stamp that to the left of the plain image, and I'm ready to cut this out with my deckled rectangle. I've got my deckled rectangle cut out with my plain and a coordinating piece from the Jini Merck, and I'm going to bring my card base in here and set my piece of cardstock where I'd like it. When I assemble, I'm going to use this as a mask simply to show me where I want to stamp my little nails, and I'm going to pop those right down here in the right hand corner, just quick and easy. And I'm ready to start assembling. I'm going to bring in my Jini Merck piece of cardstock here and my Mossy Meadow Designer Series paper, and I'm going to adhere those two together. I like to layer first and then place it on my card front because it allows me to trim if I would like to, if any of my cutting is slightly off. And this way you can flip it over and double check. Now that I've got that on there, I'm going to bring in the card base and adhere this down on the left hand side. So I'm going to add some adhesive and adhere. I'm going to leave a little of this crushed curry show on the left before my score line. Next, I'm going to bring in my Jini Merck deckled rectangle and my sentiment piece. And I'm going to put this at a slight angle. So I'm going to flip that over and add some adhesive and adhere, like so. And then I'm going to take my sentiment and some Stampin' Dimensionals and adhere this to the back. I'm going to remove my backings, flip it over, and place it right here in the center of that Jini Merck deckled rectangle. I'm going to put this on straight where the other one was slightly curved. And then I'm going to bring in my Rustic metallic adhesive back dots here. They come in two different sizes, and I'm going to pick one up and place it right down here, let's see, in the center of the nails, and another one to the left. And then I'm going to take a small one and put it to the left of the sentiment. I can move that to the side, bring my bone folder in and score on that score line, and I've got this wonderful masculine card for somebody special. I hope you've enjoyed this project, and if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.